Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations, your destination for stylish and elevated interior design. What if I told you your living room could instantly impress anyone who walks in and still feel warm, inviting, and completely yours? Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your living room into a space that blends luxury, comfort, and personality, where every detail works together to create a truly unforgettable atmosphere. And once you see these ideas, you'll never look at your living room the same way again. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button because if you love sophisticated interiors and inspiring spaces, this channel is made for you. For too long, the living room has been treated as just a place to sit, watch TV, or receive guests. But in the world of high-end interior design, it's so much more. It's the heart of the home, the space where people gather, where conversations happen, where memories are created. And most importantly, it's a reflection of your lifestyle. Imagine walking into a living room where everything feels intentional. The layout flows effortlessly. The lighting feels warm and layered. The textures invite you to relax. A space that feels both elegant and comfortable at the same time. Because a luxury living room isn't about filling the space with expensive items. It's about creating harmony, balance, and a feeling that stays with you. Now, let's explore what's defining luxury living room design right now. Balanced layouts. Luxury spaces are never accidental. Furniture is arranged to create flow and conversation. Sofas face each other. Seating feels intentional, and every piece has a purpose. The room feels open, but never empty. Statement sofas. The sofa is the anchor of the living room. A well-designed, comfortable, and visually striking sofa sets the tone for the entire space. Neutral tones with refined shapes are timeless, while textures add personality. Layered lighting. Lighting transforms everything. A combination of ambient lighting, floor lamps, table lamps, and accent lighting creates depth and warmth. The goal is to avoid harsh light and instead create a soft, inviting glow. Textural richness. Luxury is felt through materials. Soft fabrics, natural wood, stone, glass, and metals all work together to create depth. Layering textures makes the space visually interesting and emotionally comforting. Statement pieces. Every luxury living room has a focal point. It could be a piece of art, a sculptural coffee table, a fireplace, or a feature wall. Something that draws the eye and defines the space. Neutral palettes with depth. Colors are often calm and sophisticated. Warm neutrals, earthy tones, and subtle contrasts create a timeless look. Depth is added through textures and layering rather than bold colors alone. Art and personal expression. A refined living room tells a story. Art, books, and curated objects reflect your personality and experiences. The key is intention. Every piece should feel chosen, not random. Comfort meets elegance. Luxury is not just about how it looks, it's about how it feels. Soft cushions, inviting seating, and thoughtful layouts make the space enjoyable to live in, not just to admire. Connection with nature. Natural elements bring life into the space. Plants, natural light, and organic materials create balance and make the room feel more alive and welcoming. Now imagine this. You walk into your living room. The lighting is warm. The space feels open but cozy. Every piece feels like it belongs. There's a natural flow, a quiet elegance, a sense of comfort that invites you to stay. That's the power of a well-designed living room. It's not just where you sit. It's where life happens. When all these elements come together, your living room stops being just another space and becomes the soul of your home. If you want more ideas like this to transform your home into a luxury experience, subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, what's the one thing your living room is missing right now? I'd love to know. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you in the next video, where we turn everyday spaces into extraordinary living.